The AEx Series explosion-proof stainless steel panel PC and display is certified by IEC and ATEX, delivering uncompromising reliability and safety for the most demanding industrial and explosion hazard environments. Featuring superior explosion-proof engineering, it resists static electricity and eliminates spark risks, ensuring safe operation in hazardous and extreme environments while preventing dust and gas explosions. It delivers unmatched configuration flexibility while fully meeting safety requirements. Additionally, its distinctive AVoIP design extends the operational range to distances of up to 100 meters, and it enhances operational efficiency by providing real-time visibility into plant conditions. The AVoIP function allows HDMI, USB touch, and PoE power to run through just one RJ-45 cable, extending up to 100 meters and enabling agile deployment for flexible remote setups. M12 waterproof I/O connector delivers both reliable connectivity and superior water protection. Expandable I/O options meet diverse customer requirements. The outdoor solution delivers optimal reliability for outdoor use. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processor, it enables high-performance Edge AI processing. With wireless transmission, it ensures the best performance for AIoT connectivity. The AEx Series features SUS316L stainless steel enclosure, resistant to acids and alkalis, and designed to prevent dust and gas explosions. It has passed the IK08 impact resistance test. Rugged and fanless design. IP66 and IP69K waterproof grade. Designed for reliable performance in extreme conditions, operating from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. 9/8 scratch-resistant surface glass and PCT multi-touch for precise operation. Certified to international explosion-proof standards, the AEx Series is the definitive choice for the demanding worlds of oil and gas, mining, chemical processing, and beyond. Smart Industry Enabler, APLEX Technology.